This is called ankle pumping exercise. Alam mo ba, madali itong gawin pero napaka-epektibo nito dahil it will greatly improve ang pagdaloy ng dugo balik sa iyong puso. To do ankle pumping exercise, pwede kang nakaupo or pwede kang nakahiga. So long as you're comfortable. Tapos, point your toes upward like this and then point it downwards. Para ka lang nagpapadyak sa hangin. Gawin mo ito sa loob ng 1 minute. Makakatulong din ang simpleng exercise na ito para sa ating mga pregnant women or for those na may trabaho that requires them to stand for long periods of time. Pero bawal po itong gawin if ikaw ay nakaka-notice ng pamumula at change po sa kulay ng iyong balat, especially after a surgery, because these can be symptoms of deep vein thrombosis at contraindicated po ang any type of movement yan, not unless you are cleared by your doctor.